Hey y'all, Tracy here with Keeper of the Home at 4D Farms. I want to show y'all something that you can start as early as January, getting some of your seeds started for your garden, especially those cold plants like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage. Y'all, you can take a 30 count egg carton and start putting soil in each cell and then start plopping your seeds down in the middle of them. You've got 30 plants, y'all. You can get started as early as January. And y'all, I'm always telling you that I'm saving my eggshells and things. I dry them and I crush them up to use to put in my holes when I transplant the plants out in the garden. But one thing I want y'all to remember is before you start putting your soil and your seeds in here, remember to make you a drainage hole in the bottom of your cartons. And y'all, you've got an early start to your garden.